Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in number system. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Friends, say the divisor x, dividend y, quotient z, remainder given 24. Friends, by division theorem, dividend is equal to, dividend y is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Friends, now it is given that if twice the number is divided by the same divisor, twice the number means 2y. 2y is equal to 2xz plus 224 so 48. Friends, it is given that if twice the number, this is the twice the number. If twice the number is divided by twice the number is divided by the same divisor, the remainder is 11. Friends, here 2xz is divisible by x because x is here. 2xz is divisible by x. Now this remainder is when 48 is divided by x. 48 is divided by x, the remainder is 11 means the divisor must be 37. 48 minus 11, 37. So when 48 is divided by 37, the remainder is 11. So your answer is 37, friends. 37. X is equal to 37. So since 37 is a prime number, there is no other choice. So the divisor must be 37 only. Thank you.